Are you looking to sell your home but don't want to deal with all the headaches of repairs and showings and open houses? I've got the solution for you. Hi, it's Kyle Whissel with the Whissel Realty Group here in San Diego, and I have got an amazing solution that can allow you to sell your home without having to get the home repaired to get it ready, without having to deal with showings, and without having to deal with open houses. This solution is a system that we have called Simplified Selling Solutions. And what this system will do is it'll allow me to submit your home into the system, which will then connect with multiple buyers all across the country. Some of those are local investor buyers, some of those are large hedge funds, and even institutional buyers that are all looking to buy homes here in San Diego. The cool part about working with these buyers is it doesn't require your home going on the market. They don't require you to get the home fixed up and get it ready so it looks good for those buyers. And most importantly, if you're anything like me, like I have a 5-year-old kid, I have dogs, I have pigs. Yes, I said pigs. We have a lot of pets. Like showings and open houses are a huge headache. So the great part about working with our Simplified Selling Solutions program is that it does not require any showings. It does not require any open houses. And then here's the best part of this whole thing is right now there's a lot of competition between these different buyers to gain market share. And what I mean by that is that they all want to be able to put out press releases because most of them are publicly traded companies or they have investors that they have to answer to. And so therefore they're all competing for market share. They want to be able to claim they bought more homes than the other person who bought more homes than the other person. So they're all trying to one up each other. And the beautiful part about that is it benefits you because these guys are paying full market value for a lot of these homes that we're submitting into the system. Sometimes they're even paying over market value. I just submitted one into the system this past week where the last sale in the neighborhood, which was the identical floor plan, sold at $590, and one of these institutional buyers offered $664,000. Think about it, that's crazy. They offered $74,000 above what the most recent sale in the neighborhood is. And the beautiful thing is for my seller, Mark, in this scenario, he doesn't have to get the home repaired because the home needed a little bit of work. He's not going to have to deal with any of those repairs. He's not going to have to deal with showings. There's kids that live in the house, there's pets. He doesn't have to deal with any of that. Doesn't have to deal with the open houses, doesn't have to deal with the showings. And one of the best parts is it can close anywhere from 10 to 90 days, whatever he wants. So he's able to close on his own timeline. If you're watching this video and you want to explore our Simplified Selling Solutions program to see if it's the solution for you, reach out to us at the number below. We will plug you into the system. Let's see what these guys are willing to pay. You might be able to get this whole thing done quick, easy, painless, and make that move to wherever your destination takes you. I want to thank you so much for watching. My name is Kyle Whissel with Whissel Realty Group.